Recently, I launched a bot for this channel called the Everyday AI Bot with the help of Frozen Light. They really helped me out with this product and with this project. It was really, their idea, and special thanks to Sarit as well. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. Once you get onto the bot, you will be presented with this screen and it's going to say, hey, I'm Jeremiah. My job to get answers from the Everyday AI YouTube channel. Great stuff. So if you click ready, then you'll see what can I help you find. You can choose from categories like creating communications, conducting research, and automating tasks, or just ask me any topic you're exploring. Okay, great stuff. So I'm going to ask it here, give me a list of image generation tools. Cool. And it's going to have a think. It's going to search through, I guess, over 200 videos that I've done on this channel now. And it's essentially going to give you the sort of tool that would be best for your, for the issue you're facing at the moment. So you can see here, I've searched through hundreds of videos. Here's some image generation tools mentioned in the provided files. Okay, cool.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Great stuff. So we've got this link. I remember doing this. This was Video. We've got Hero AI as well, Top View, Inliner, Clever AI. So yeah, definitely check this out because this is something I'm going to be improving. It literally just went live not too long ago. So yeah, we're constantly improving and always looking for any kind of user feedback. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks again to Frozen Light and to Sarit. And yeah, looking forward to really making this a great way to search between hundreds of videos that are on this channel. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.